Good day everyone. Today I will demonstrate my teaching in mathematics. I am Mrtsctby from Bachelor of Elementary Education from Class 2. Good morning children. To start, let's stand first for our prayer. So, repeat after me. Okay? So, hold my hand. I bow my head, I close my eyes and pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this day and bless us. Amen. So once again, good morning children. So you may now take your seat. Okay. So I will check first the attendance. So as I mentioned your name, please stay present. Vanessa, present. Ella, present. So you are all present for this day. You're all very good. Okay, so I think some of you are sleepy, so do you want to dance? Okay, so now let's stand up and let's dance.
Sayaw mga toy, 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 mga toy. Everybody, plus, minus, divide, equals. Sayaw mga toy, plus, minus, divide, equals.
Okay, very good. So do you enjoy the dance? Okay, so going back to the lesson that we have tackled in the last meeting, who among you can share their knowledge on what they have learned during last meeting? So yes, Jamaica. So about subtraction, yes. Very good. So it's all about subtraction. So what is subtraction? Yes. Okay, subtraction is an arithmetic operation that, yes, very good. Arithmetic operation that refers to the removing of an object from a collection. So now we will study again another arithmetic operation. So before that, I will read first the objective. Okay, so listen for the objective. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify the addends and the sum of addition. Second, show cooperation through group activity. And last, add the following objects and numbers. Okay. But before that, we will have first an activity. So are you ready? Okay, so I have here a illustration or a drawing of two baskets. Can you see it? Okay, so I have also here some apples, and all you need to do is to place those apples in this basket. So there are two baskets that you will be putting on those apples. So any representative to go in front and place the apples in the basket. Okay. Okay, so you are all very good. Thank you for the store representatives. So now let's count one by one those apples that they have placed on those baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first basket there are 4 red apples. That's very good. So in the second basket there are 2 apples. So how many are there?
How many apples are there?
Okay, so there are 6 apples. So are you enjoying our lesson? Are you enjoying our activity? Okay, very good. So I have a question for you, class. So if you remember our dance earlier, right? As our energizer and the activity that we have done a while ago, what do you think is our lesson for this day? So any idea? Yes? Okay, addition. Very good. So now we will study addition. So what is addition, class? Do you have an idea what is addition? Okay, so I have here the meaning of addition. So how among you can read this? Everybody read. Addition. It is an arithmetic operation that refers to adding two or more numbers from other numbers. So in our previous lesson, we tackled about subtraction, isn't it? Okay, and now we will study addition. Class, did you know that addition is the opposite of subtraction? Yes, because addition refers to adding two or more numbers from the other number, but the subtraction is removing an object from a collection. So it means that in addition, of course, we will add. Okay, so what is addition again? Addition is an arithmetic operation that refers to adding two or more numbers from the other number. Yes, very good. So now, based on the activity that we have done a while ago about this, so we will add those apples that you have placed in there. Okay? So in the right, so in the first basket, there are how many apples? Okay, there are 4 red apples. That's right. While in the second basket, how many apples are there? 2. Okay. Now, since addition is adding two or more numbers from the other number, let us add let us add these apples using addition. So 4 plus, now let's add them together from both left and right. 4 plus 2, 4 added to 2 is equal to 6. So there are 6 apples in the baskets. So now class, listen. In addition, there are two variables that we're going to simplify, the addends and the sum. So now, first, what is the addends? Everybody read. Addends is a number which is added to another. So in this situation, can you identify where is the addends? Yes, Miguel. 2? Are you sure? Who else have another answer? Yes. 4. So Jessie said that 4 is the addends. So are you sure with that? Let us see. So addends is a number which is added to another. So it means that the addends here in the situation 4 plus 2 equals 6 is 4 and 2. Not just 4, not just 2, but these both numbers. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, so what is the addends again in the situation? 4 and 2. So kahit balik-balikan mo yan, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, these two numbers are still the addends. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So clap your hands. So now another one. In addition, there is what we call the sum. So for you, what is sum? Any idea what is sum? Yes, Michael. Sum will be? No. Sum is also a number. So sum, everybody read. Sum is the total amount of addition of two numbers. So here in the situation again, let's use this illustration situation. Can you identify what is the sum? Any of you? Yes, Vanessa. 6. Okay. So it's because 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So it means that the sum there is 6 because it is the result of adding those two, what do you call this? Addends. Very good. So do you understand now what is the differences between addends and the sum? Okay. So for you to understand our lesson, let's have another example. So we have here another equation. So 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 class. Okay, very good. 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. In that situation, can you identify where is or are the addends and where is the sum? Okay, Vanessa. Where are the addends in this situation? 8 plus 2. 2? Vanessa, you're not listening. So who again? So who else have another answer? Yes, Michelle. 8 and 2. Very good. So 8 and 2 are the addends because, as I said earlier, that addends is a number which is added to another. And I have also told you that in the situation there are two addends, right? Okay, so listen, Vanessa. Here in the situation, look. 8 plus 2 equals 7. Where is the sum? Okay, very good. Vanessa, 10. So 10 is the sum in the equation. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Okay, do you understand? So what is the sum again? 10. Very good. So any question from our lesson today? Any of you have questions? And so if none, what is addition again? Yes, Vanessa. Okay, very good. Addition is an arithmetic operations that refers to adding two or more variables or two or more numbers from the other number. And what are those two variables that we have studied from the addition? Yes, Michelle? Okay, very good. The addends and the sum. So, if you don't have any questions, so now I have here an activity. So, can you answer this? Arrange the jumbled letters. So, if you listen a while ago, you will answer this correctly. So, what do you think is the answer in the number 1? Yes, Miguel. Okay, addition. How about in number 2? What do you think is the answer? Yes, Michelle. Again? Sum. Right. In number 2, the answer is sum. In number 3, okay? Who among you can answer number 3? Yes, Vanessa. Addends. Alright. understand the lesson. So now, I will group you into 2 groups. So all of you should participate in the activity so that all of you can answer and finish the activity properly. Do you understand? Okay, so by group, you will be able to answer this 10 and after that we will answer it orally. Do you understand? Okay, so get 1 per sheet of paper and go to your respective groups and answer the following. I will give you just 10 minutes to answer it. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, are you finished? Okay, so now let's answer it one by one. So, the 2 groups should exchange their papers. Yes, thank you. So now, first equation. So now in the first item, 2 plus 3. Correct, very good, 5. So who among the group have correct answer? Okay, so clap your hands. Next, 4 plus 5. Okay, very good, 10. Next, third one. 6 plus 2. 10, correct. How about in the fourth? 3 plus 7. 10. Number 5, 2 plus 4. Class. 6. Very good. 8 plus 2 for number 6 is 10. 7. 7 plus 1. 8. Number 8, 6 plus 4. 10. Very good. Number 9, 2 plus 7. 9. And lastly, 3 plus 5. Okay. 8. So again class, what do you call those numbers here that you have find in answering this? Okay, very good, sum. So you have already learned a lot from our, so I guess you really learned a lot from our topic for today. So for your assignment, please read or have an advanced reading for our next lesson so that all of you should or can be able to cope up with their lesson. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so thank you for listening. See you again tomorrow. See you again for tomorrow. But before that, before going out, please clean up your desk and also the papers below your chairs. Is it clear? Okay, so thank you and God bless.
Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta cata, dja dja. Genre, en katana, baby, tu t'aides ça. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen. Si t'as vu, tu déconnes. C'est pas comme ça qu'on fait les choses. Oh, dja dja, y'a pas moyen, dja dja. J'suis pas ta cata, dja dja. Genre, en katana, baby, tu t'aides ça.